Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 9. Save your booking to a PDF on your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this company works School of Business. We're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on All Applications. Go to Bookings. Click on your calendar. Let's now create a brand new booking for the next day. We will have this booking for 9 o'clock till about 11. Customer name, let's just add myself, auto generate the email, add myself in as staff. Now create this booking. Let's navigate to the next day, and there we see the booking in the time slot from 9 to 11. We will now go to print. Let's generate a view for the week. Standard, horizontal agenda, print detailed agenda if we wish to, but let's change the time slot from 9 to 12, and there we'll see the booking pop up. If we click on print detailed agenda, everything within that booking would be printed. So let's deselect that, click on print, save as PDF. More settings, open PDF in preview is what we want to do, and now we can click on export as PDF, save to the desktop. Let's remove one of the .pdfs, save to the desktop, quit preview, minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now go to the desktop, click on bookings -admin -outlook.pdf, and the booking has now been directly saved to the Mac computer's desktop, and there we have the booking for that particular day, 9 to 11, IT support, my name, Thursday, 18th of August 2022. Let's quit preview. And so that's how you create the booking and save to your computer using the print function. So we can now go down to the dock again, go back to Google Chrome, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.